Balau jong ke National People's Party karadap semam hakani gisngi baar da kipat ba kibalawan ban senran ya ke MDC jong ke PDF na umsning ka Kong Macdalyne saukme maulong kabalawan ban penyeso no sya ke NPP kum ke jingpen kre ban airing ha ke election MLA na Nongpoh constituency hau araja ar pulai hakani kesgi la sakhilang ru da umentri barim ke jela u MLA barim ke Ranikor ba Martin M Danggo kumju UCM barim ke HADC u ba Manstadi Nongrem kiblawan ban penyeso lang sya ke tei ka parti ke balai lam menta ya ke borsen syar ya ke MDC rengkan ya ki MLA but MDC barim ya ki nongkit kam ke UDP na riboy la pediang buram da national president ke NPP u Konrad ki sangma harangkat ke jingadon lang jong u president ka Meghalaya NPP u Dr. WR Kharluki ki MLA bat ki nongkit kam jong ka parti
kumta kamut penong bangin beng laningin bread beng ya kini ki coalition partners jongi tengrei ka commitment jongi ka yayat tenrei ka bangikwa na kaliang ka party NPP bangin poy sa katong bat kata kalong bangin duna ya ka life UR life ulai seat bangin yo hapo ka jela mekla jomi kwa banong hakani ka por i pediang sngau bahaya pi kini ki leaders ka bang suka banong ya pi kandiat kan mau bah play join sa ka party piong iba Danggo piong ya Kong Mak niladon lepa ke jing ye penbei tang balong ke prosedur ke saya ke jing penbei kelong ngasyut hu lepa ye pi tambah ke saya na blok bai Kong Mak iakhun na Nongpoh ba ke ba iba Danggo iakhun na po Ranikor tambah ke bangoy gini ki arteli ki konsensi na kwa ban batay lepa minhat ban restructure ya ke blok NPP Barokawi tengah karpat di presiden juga state president Dr. Kharluki bin Penmi ikoda hakaba kin restructure ya ki blok komiti jongki bat barim bat batamai ban ya donlang kena beginang ya klain ngatai kata de kabudon kami tengah karpat ya presiden badon burom jungi Dr. Kharluki bin Saleh ekoton kam kamtam hakini ki arteli ki konsensi kumbang pi ka pengili penbet kawai ka Nongpoh blok bat ka ar ka Ranikor blok te kata ka de ka bangakwa banong na kle jungi sai sen ban ngam ka ban mukti ngapdiang sengau bahaya kini ki leaders barok ki arteli kini ki konsensi bat kumju ru na Giant Hills na po clearet piong nang te na po sutnga ki bayadon lang hakani ka por ban ya join bani haka party NPP.
And that's why I'm happy today that people from different constituencies with a vast experience have today joined the cause of the National People's Party to take forward our state of Meghalaya and also to work together for the Northeast region and the country as a whole. Last 4 years have been very challenging for us. We have faced a large number of difficulties. I remember in the first 6 months of the formation of the government, not a lot of people had confidence that this government would last. A lot of people questioned on whether we'll be able to survive even 1 year. But it is the blessing of God. It is the teamwork that has been there. It is our commitment to the people of our state that has allowed us to be focused on what we are doing and not be bothered by these comments that made from outside and continue to serve the people of our state. And when the tough situations came, we got tougher. When crisis comes, that's when the true quality of an individual or the true quality of a team comes out. And we faced multiple crises. I don't have to tell you. But more the crisis that came, the tougher we got. The more challenges that came in front of us, the better the team started performing. And we started to move forward. And you must have seen in the last 4 years that this government has taken up issues that nobody ever dared to take up. Because of political issues, in situations that maybe this might affect us in elections. But I keep telling our team that yes, there is elections, but there is also a purpose for which we are here. So while we think of elections, we must also remember that we have been given this opportunity and time to serve our people. Yes, it is difficult. Border issue is not easy, but it is our duty to try. People have given us the mandate, we must give it a shot. Because 20 years, 30 years down the line, if we look back and ask ourselves that why we didn't do it that time, I think we will regret it. And that is why I always believe that we must try. Failure and success is something that's not in our hands completely. But if we don't try, then we are failing in our duty and responsibility that the people of the state have bestowed on us. And therefore, we have taken up matters and issues that have been very challenging for us. But because of the teamwork, because of the guidance we receive from each and every one of you, because of the blessings that we have got from above, we are able to move forward. And I can tell you, there will be many issues that have been there in the state for a very long time. I can assure you that we will be able to resolve most of these issues. That's the kind of positivity that we work with today.